Welcome to our math lesson for today. We are going to have some fun and be able to move our bodies around during our math time today. We are going to be working on 3 different words today. And you might be saying, words in math? I thought we learned numbers. Well, guess what? We learned some words too. And these words are called position words, or where are you words, right? Where are you? So the 3 words that we will be working on today are in, on, and under. In, on, and under. One more time. In, on, and under. My marker is in the container. My marker is on the container. And my marker is under the container, right? What about my hand? My hand is in the container. My hand is on the container. And my hand is under the container. Great job. So those are just the 3 words that we are going to practice during our math lesson today. So I want to introduce you to quack, quack, Mr. Duck. And Mr. Duck is going to help us practice these 3 words. In, on, under, right? Remember our 3 words? All right, so I'm going to back up just a little bit because Mr. Duck really wants to help us learn these 3 position words. So I have my chair here, and we are going to have Mr. Duck sit on the chair. Mr. Duck is sitting on the chair. Great job, Mr. Duck. You are sitting on the chair. All right, now I'm going to have Mr. Duck sit under the chair. Under the chair. Mr. Duck is under the chair. He is sitting under the chair. Great job, Mr. Duck. Come on over. So we just saw Mr. Duck get in 2 different spots on our chair. He was sitting on the chair, and he also sat under the chair. Under the chair. So I also want to see Mr. Duck in something, right? We saw him on. We saw him under. Now we want to see him in. Here's my magic teacher bag again. Mr. Duck, can you go in my bag, please? Mr. Duck is in my bag. Mr. Duck is in the bag. Very good. So we just saw all 3 of those words. Mr. Duck in our bags. Mr. Duck on our chair. Mr. Duck is on our chair. And we saw Mr. Duck under our chair. In, on, under. In, on, under. Very good, everyone. Thanks for practicing those words. And Mr. Duck, thank you for practicing those words with me too. Will you sit on my desk? Very good. So we are actually going to take a closer look way up here. And we are going to look at this picture right up here on the wall. Up here it says, where is it? Where is it? So I'm going to ask you some questions to see if you can tell me where something is using those 3 words that we just practiced. In, on, under. In, on, under. So let's go ahead and look at this yellow bear right here. This yellow bear, where is he? Where is it? Is this yellow bear on the table, in the table, or under the table? That's right. This yellow bear is under the table. What about this purple bear? Where is this purple bear? Is the purple bear under the chair, on the chair, or in the chair? On the chair. The purple bear is sitting on the chair. What about this silly red bear right here? Where is that bear? Is he under the basket, on the basket, or in the basket? That's right. He is in the basket. What about this one right here? This blue bear. Is he under the shelf, in the shelf, or on the shelf? That's right. He is on the shelf. This blue bear is sitting on the shelf. Great job. We'll look at some more of those other bears later, but you did an excellent job telling me about where all of these things are. Where are they? And those three words, remember, were in, on, and under. Remember, in, on, and under. And one last time with this beautiful sun here. Our sun is in our container. He's inside. He is in our container. This sun is on our container. The sun is on top of our container. And this sun is under our container. The sun is under the container. Thank you so much for practicing those three words with me, and I hope you have fun with our activities today.